Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. My husband calls these my happy pants. He says it's because they're happy looking and because I'm so happy when I'm wearing them. Maybe that's because they are crazy comfortable, like feeling like I'm wearing my pajamas. The fabric is so silky, it has such a great flow to it. I feel like I can wear these casual, dressy, shirt tucked in, shirt untucked with a jacket. Really a very versatile pair of pants. A wide elastic band, and it has a faux belt. So at the front you have these two ties that you can tie in a bow, tie in a knot. It doesn't actually change the waistband size, and it doesn't come apart. It's not detachable. So it's an attached sash that just is in the front of the pants. But these pants have pockets and they are wide leg. So the width goes all the way to the bottom, the same width. Just a really flattering, comfortable, delicious pair of dressy pants with a lightweight, breathable, slippery fabric. So do yourself a favor and get yourself a pair of these pants because you deserve to have happy pants too. And that is my point of view.